Yes, so hi everyone. As you can see, this is Protastructure 2021. Okay. Sorry. Okay, good. You can see this is actually how the interface is like. You have building, set out, modeling, loading, review, analysis, design, drawings and reports, BIM, display, views, help. Okay, so let's come back here. Let's click on new projects. As you can see here, we have code of practice, just like the one you have in your 2018. Let's use BS8110. I just want to take you through. Please enter a valid project code. Okay, I have to give you the code. New projects. Let's see. Projects. And then I click on OK. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, still loading. Okay, now you can see we have here we have X, Y, Z. Okay, you can see here we have our axis here. If I click on axis, okay, stretch axis, you can delete, you can measure, you can mirror, you can offset, you can move. Okay. So here, if you right click, you can see orthogonal axis generator. You can move member to axis. You can have your axis table. All you need is just to click on the axis, right click. You can see the orthogonal axis generator. If I click on it and I click somewhere around my screen, you can see it comes up. Okay, let's just say I click OK. It actually works just like the 2018 that you are actually familiar with. You can see your column member here. If you right click, you can see reinforce concrete column / wall design, reinforce column / wall design, active story. Okay. Building analysis results not found. Okay. Okay. I'm just playing around this software right now. Okay, if I click on column, I'll just highlight. Column, and then I will specify the width of that column. You can see it's a bit different from the normal the 2018. Okay, I myself, I'm just playing around this software right now. I have never really actually played with this software. I'm just playing with it for the first time, so you can pardon me. Okay, I'll come back to model. You can see under your model, I think that this is where we have our beam, our slab, our column. Okay, so if I click on beam, I can specify, let's say the thickness of this beam 230, and then the bottom, let's say it's 450. Okay, I will highlight and I drop. Okay, let me zoom. One beam. Okay, two beam. Okay, good. Let's go to modeling and let's come to slab. I'll take this thickness to be 150. Concrete cover, let's say it's 20. Okay. I'm just going to insert the slabs. Okay, good. Let's come to view. Okay, 3D physical model. Let's click on 3D physical model. Oh, great. Seriously, I'm just playing with this software for the first time. I've never really actually used the 2021. This is my first time of actually playing with this software. But if you love what you're seeing, why not like this video? Just give it a thumbs up, okay? Make sure you subscribe to this channel, okay? You can drop a comment down below if you love what you're seeing, okay? And make sure you stay safe and make sure you stay blessed, okay?